Welcome back to LearnFX. Are you struggling to see consistent results in your trading? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the 5 most common Forex trading mistakes and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick around till the end because I've got a bonus tip that will instantly elevate your trading game. Mistake number 1. Trading without a plan. Think of trading like building a house. Would you start construction without blueprints? Of course not. Trading without a plan is a surefire way to lose money. A solid trading plan includes your goals, entry and exit strategies, risk management rules. Mistake number 2, overtrading. The second mistake, overtrading. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the markets, but taking too many trades often leads to poor decisions and unnecessary losses. Here's how to avoid it. Set a daily trading limit. Stick to high-quality setups. Avoid revenge trading after a loss. Overtrading burns your energy and your account balance. Be selective, not impulsive. Mistake number 3, ignoring risk management. Mistake number 3, ignoring risk management. This is one of the fastest ways to blow your account. Always follow these golden rules. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Calculate your position sizes based on risk. Managing risk might not feel exciting, but it's the difference between surviving and thriving in Forex. Mistake number 4, letting emotions take over. Mistake number 4 is a big one, letting emotions take over. Fear, greed, and frustration are your worst enemies as a trader. Here's how to stay in control. Stick to your trading plan. Take breaks after a streak of wins or losses. Use meditation or journaling to stay focused. Emotions can cloud your judgment. The calmer you are, the better your decisions will be. Mistake number 5, chasing the market. Finally, mistake number 5, chasing the market. This happens when you jump into trades impulsively, often after a big move, fearing you'll miss out. How to avoid it? Wait for proper setups that match your strategy. Use pending orders to avoid impulsive decisions. Accept that missing a trade is better than entering a bad one. Remember, trading is about probabilities, not certainties. Avoid chasing and let the trades come to you. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Review and learn from every trade. Keep a trading journal where you record your trades and outcomes, your emotions during the trade, what you could improve. To recap, avoid these 5 common mistakes and focus on steady improvement. What mistakes have you made as a trader? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from LearnFX. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!